In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Trends charts on a website fast and easy. If you've ever wondered how to integrate the dynamic and illuminating data from Google Trends into your own web pages, you're in the right place. Google Trends is a powerful tool that shows the popularity of search queries on Google, and embedding these charts can add substantial value to the content on your website. First, let's head over to the Google Trends website. Simply type Google Trends into your search bar, or follow the link provided in the description below. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top of the page. This is your starting point for discovering what's trending in real time. Next, enter the keyword or topic you're interested in. This could be anything from a broad subject like technology to something more niche like vegan recipes. The search results will give you a detailed overview of the term's popularity over time, along with related queries and other insightful data. Now click on the Explore button next to your chosen keyword. This brings up a detailed chart that visualizes the search trends for your specified term. You can customize the time frame, geographical location, and other parameters to better fit your needs, but for embedding purposes, the current view is good to go. When you're ready to get this data on your site, look for the download icon, which allows you to file the data as a CSV file if you'd like more hands-on analysis. However, our focus today is on embedding, so instead, click on the code icon, which is usually around the chart area. This icon will allow you to generate an embed code for your web page. Once you've clicked the code icon, you'll see an option labeled Embed. This provides a neat HTML snippet that you can simply copy. This code is what you'll paste into the HTML of your website, making it possible to showcase the Google Trends data directly on your page. Now head over to the back end of your website where you can edit HTML. Paste the copied embed code into the desired location within your HTML. This is a straightforward process, but knowing your way around your site's editor is handy as you want to place the chart in a spot that complements your site's layout. And that's pretty much it. By following these steps, Google Trends charts can now be an integral part of your web content, providing dynamic data that can engage your audience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.